Welcome to Cute Mute channel, and in today's video, we're going to choose between a pink outfit or a mystery box. Will you make the right choices? Let's find out. First, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos here. Let's get started with our first choice. How about picking a cute pink top? Or would you rather take a chance with the mystery box? Will you get lucky this time? Now it's time to choose a skirt to complete your look. Will you pick one of these options or risk it with the mystery box? Time to choose a dress. Will it be the Stitch and Hello Kitty dress? Or a surprise one? What would you rather wear? Let's pick some sneakers. Let's choose a super cute bag. Will you go with one of these or try the mystery box? Are you enjoying the video? Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a heart in the comments. Now let's pick some earrings for your outfit. Will you choose one of these or take a chance with the box? I love bracelets. What about you? Let's pick one. And don't forget to tell me in the comments how your choices are going. Time to pick some sunglasses now. Will you choose one of these full outfits? Or try your luck with the mystery box? Time to pick a cute jacket. Or would you rather go with what's in the box? Which of these hair clips would you like to wear? Will you choose one of these or hope the surprise one is even better? Let's choose a hairstyle. Will you pick your favorite or try the box? Pick a dress to walk the red carpet or go for the mystery box. Glam time. Now let's choose some shoes to match your dress. Time to pick a second luxurious dress. Which one will it be? Choose a complete outfit and don't forget to tell me in the comments if you're making great choices. Would you wear one of these looks to go out today? Or take the risk with the mystery box? But be careful, not all surprises are good ones. Let's pick some roller skates. Will you choose the mystery box or stick with what you see? Now, let's pick some makeup to complete our look. What do you prefer? Choose one of these lip glosses or go with the mystery box. Thanks so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Here are some more videos for you to keep having fun.